In the third question, we are asked to state true or false in each case. 3 is a factor of 313. How do we find it if it's a factor or not? Again, we do divide. I have here manually divided it to show it to you. So 3 divided by, when 313 is divided by 3, so 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Then we are left with nothing. So then we bring, for the next round, we bring 1 down. If we do 3 into 1 is equal to 3, so 3 is greater than 1. So what do we do? 3 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Then we have a 1 in here. We bring down the last digit, that is 3, so we get 13. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12. And again, when we do subtraction, we get 1 as a remainder. So this means that 3 is not the factor of 313. So next is 3 is a factor of 300 or not. So again, we divide 300 by 3. So 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Then we bring down 0. 3 into 0 is equal to 0. Then we bring down the next 0 in the next round, in the last one. 3 into 0 is equal to 0. And you can see we are left with no remainder. Therefore, 3 is a factor of 300. 2 is a factor of 122 for 88. So again, 2 we consider the first two digits in the number that is given in here. So 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Then we bring down this 2 one digit at a time. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Then we bring the 4 down. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Then 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Then we bring the 8 in here. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. And then 2 into 4 is equal, we bring down this last 8 in here. And then 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So no remainder. It means that 2 is a factor of this number 122 for 88. 210 is a factor of 210. Yes, it is. It is a number itself. So 210 into 1 is equal, multiplied by 1 is equal to 210, giving us no remainder. So it is a factor. 9 is factor of 99. So we again do the division. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Then we bring down the second 9 in here down. Then 9 into 1 is equal to 9. And you can see that there is no remainder. So 9 is a factor of 99. 2 is a factor of 300. So in here, 2 into 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by 1, 2. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Then we bring down the 0. So we get 10. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Then we bring down the last 0. And 2 into 0 is equal to 0. So in here, as you can see, we are left with no remainder. So we can say that 2 is a factor of 300. The same is done for 60. 12 into 5 is equal to 60. No remainder. So 12 is a factor of 60. 8 is a factor of 420 or not. We do the division. So if we consider the first digit, so this value is greater, so we consider two digits. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. Then when we subtract 40 from 42, we get 2. Then we bring down the 0. We are having 20 in here, so 8 into 2 is equal to 16. From 20, if 16 is subtracted, we get 4. We put a decimal, and in here, if we do not put a decimal in here, the 4 is remainder. And if we put a decimal, we get 40. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. But in here, you can see that we are getting a decimal number, not a whole number. Therefore, 8 is not a factor of 420. So we have to respond by stating if it's true or false. So the first one and the last one are false. The rest of them are all true. That's all for now. I hope the question is clear along with its answer. Happy learning!